Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing fine. Before we start the video, I wanted to take this opportunity and wish everyone a very happy new year 2023. In the month of August and September, I decided to explore a new technology. I wanted to learn more about how data science is implemented at scale, which is where I came across Neo4j. So in today's video, I'll talk about Neo4j, the world's leading graph database. In today's fast-paced world, businesses and organizations are generating vast amounts of data at an unprecedented rate. This data can come in many different forms and can be difficult to manage and analyze using traditional database systems. Here is where Neo4j enters in. Neo4j is a powerful and intuitive graph database that makes it easy to work with complex and interconnected data. With Neo4j, you can easily store and query data that has complex relationships such as social networks, supply chain networks, and many other real-world systems. Let's take a look at how Neo4j can help us better understand and work with our data. First, let's create a simple graph that represents a social network. We can see that each person in the network is represented by a node, and the relationships between them are represented by edges. With Neo4j, we can easily run complex queries to find things like the shortest path between two people, the most influential members of the network, and more. Now let's look at a more complex example, that is a supply chain network. Here we can see that each node represents a product or a supplier, and the edges represent the relationships between them. Using Neo4j, we can quickly run queries to find the most efficient supply routes, identify bottlenecks in the supply chain, and much more. With Neo4j, data scientists and machine learning practitioners can easily store, manage, and query their data, allowing them to gain valuable insights and make better decisions. One of the key advantages of Neo4j is its ability to represent complex relationships between data points. In many real-world systems such as social networks, supply chain networks, and more, the relationships between data points are just as important as the data points themselves. With Neo4j, these relationships can be easily represented and queried, enabling data scientists and machine learning practitioners to gain a deeper understanding of their data and build more accurate models. Another key advantage of Neo4j is its scalability. As datasets grow larger and more complex, traditional databases can become extremely slow and sluggish. Neo4j, on the other hand, is designed to handle large, complex datasets with ease, allowing data scientists and machine learning practitioners to work with their data in real time. In conclusion, Neo4j is a powerful and intuitive tool for data science and machine learning. Its ability to represent complex relationships and its scalability make it an indispensable tool for anyone working with complex interconnected data. Thank you for watching my discussion on the importance of Neo4j for data science and machine learning. I hope you found it helpful, and I look forward to seeing how Neo4j can help unlock the power of your data. This is all that I had in today's video. I hope you found the video informative. If you do like the videos that I create on my channel, it would be super motivating if you can press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to be notified for amazing videos on data science and machine learning. Thank you.